Welcome back to Bike Pulse. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated pickups of the year, the 2025 Mazda BT-50. Get ready as we explore its power, performance, and everything you need to know. So buckle up. Mazda has always been known for its sleek, sporty designs, and the 2025 BT-50 is no different. This truck looks rugged, refined, and ready for action. Up front, we have the signature Mazda grille, paired with LED headlights that give the BT-50 an aggressive, yet sophisticated stance on the road. The bold character lines along the body enhance its muscular build, while the 18-inch alloy wheels complete the powerful look. Step inside, and you'll find a surprisingly luxurious cabin for a pickup. Mazda has integrated premium materials with leather-wrapped seats and a clean dashboard layout. The BT-50 doesn't just focus on ruggedness, it's all about comfort and convenience, too. The dual-zone climate control, spacious legroom, and modern infotainment system with a 9-inch touchscreen ensure you're always driving in style. And speaking of tech, the 2025 BT-50 comes loaded with features to keep you connected. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, so you can sync your smartphone for hands-free navigation, and entertainment. It's also got a high-definition rear-view camera, which makes parking this beast a breeze. Plus, with multiple USB charging ports and a premium audio system, you and your passengers are in for a smooth ride every time. But let's not forget what makes the BT-50 a true contender in the pickup segment: its performance. Under the hood, Mazda offers two engine options, a 3.0-liter turbo diesel and a more efficient 2.2-liter diesel. The 3.0-liter engine pumps out 190 horsepower and an impressive 450 Nm of torque, making towing and off-roading an absolute breeze. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or conquering rough terrains, this truck has the guts to handle it all. Now, when it comes to safety, Mazda has gone all out. The BT-50 is packed with driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. It's also equipped with autonomous emergency braking, ensuring that you're covered in unexpected situations. Mazda's iActiveSense suite keeps you safe and secure, whether you're on the highway or off the beaten path. What's great about the 2025 BT-50 is that it's more than just a utility vehicle, it's an adventure partner. With a towing capacity of up to 3,500 kilograms and a payload of over a ton, this pickup is perfect for those who work hard during the week and explore harder on the weekend. Camping, off-roading, road trips, whatever your lifestyle, the BT-50 is built to adapt. To wrap it up, the 2025 Mazda BT-50 is the perfect combination of style, power, and practicality. With its advanced safety features, rugged capabilities, and luxurious interior, it's designed for those who need both performance and comfort. So, what do you think of the new Mazda BT-50? Would this be your next pickup? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Until next time, drive safe, and we'll see you on the road.